वंदे गुरुपदद्वन्द्वं भक्तबिंदसमन्वितं श्रीचैतन्यप्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानन्दसहोदितं श्रीनन्दनन्दनं वन्दे राधिका चरणोदयं गोपीजनसमायुक्तं बिन्दावनं मनोहरं वाञ्छाकल्पतरुश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यश्च पतितानं पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयतिगिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। वृंदावै तुलसीदेव वै पिया वै केशवस्य कृष्णभक्तिपदे देवी सत्त्ववत्त्वयि नमो नमः। नारायण नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयो मुदीरये। संकीर्तने कृष्ण कथोपदेशे गौरीयपत्रस्य प्रकाशने च सदानुरक्तगुरुभक्तियुक्तो भक्तिप्रमोदाक्ष जगोद्वरुण्य धैर्यं सदा परिभवग्नमविष्टदोहं तीर्थास्पदं शिवविरञ्चनुतं शरण्यं भीतात्युहं पनुतपाल्भवाद्दिपूतं वन्दे महापुरुषते चरणारविन्दं यत्पादपल्लवनखचन्दमनिच्छटाय विस्फुरिजित किमपि गपवधूष्वदर्शि पूर्णानुरागरससागरसारमूर्ति साराधिकामयि कदा कृपां करोषि। श्रीकृष्णचैतन्य प्रभुनितानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसदी गौरभक्तबिंद श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसदी गौरभक्तबिंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। आजानुलंबितभुजौ कनकावदातो संकीर्तनैकपितरो कमलायताक्ष ईशाम्बरो द्विजवरो जुगधर्मपालो वन्दे जगत्प्रियकरो करुणावतारो। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। नमामि गंगे तव पादपङ्कजं सुरासुरैर्वन्दितो दिव्यरूपं मुक्तिं च ददासि नित्यं भावानुरूपेण सदा नरानं। गंगातरङ्गरमणीयजटाकलापं गौरी निरन्तरविभूषिः त्ववामभागं। नारायणो प्रियमनङ्गमदापहारं वाराणसीपुरपति भजवीशनाथं। वागीशजुष्वदने लक्ष्मीर्यस्य च वक्षसि यस्यास्ति हृदय संवित् त्वं नृसिंहमहं भजे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे तरवो किं न जीवन्ति भस्ता किं न शशन्ति उतो न खादन्ति न मिहन्ति किं गाम पशव अपरे तरवः किं न जीवन्ति भस्ता किं न शशन्ति उतो न खादन्ति न मिहन्ति किं गाम पशवो अपरे। गौड़ीय गोष्ठीपति श्री शिल भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी ठाकुर प्रभुपाद जगत
Goshti Bhakti Shishila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada Jagat Guru Gauriya Goshti Bhakti Shishila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada Jagat Guru hat sagt,
that Bhagavad Sevak, Jeev is always Bhagavad Sevak.
dass die Seele ist Bhagavad Sevak, ein Diener vom höchsten Herrn.
Somebody asking, who is alive
Einer fragt vielleicht,
and who is dead?
wer ist am Leben und wer ist tot?
We are actually alive.
Seien wir am Leben oder seien wir tot?
Prabhupada giving answer. Actually, Jeev,
Dann sagt der Prabhupada,
eternal Sevak of Bhagavan.
also die
Jeev
Seele
is Sarupaya Krishna
ist der
Nitya.
ewige Diener vom
Bhagavad
Jivara
Sevak
Swarup Hai Krishna
is
Nityadas.
eternal dharma.
So Bhagavad Seva ist die ewige
And to
Konstitution,
serve Supreme
das
Lord,
ewige Dharma.
to show the consciousness to serve that Param Chetan Vastu, it is called actually living condition.
Und wenn jemand jetzt
Positive condition.
das aufzeigt, dass er dem Herrn dienen will, nachher ist so eine Person am Leben.
To serve
Das ist Lebendigkeit.
and if it is
Die
expressed,
Stimmung ist Lebendigkeit, das
that
ist
is
Leben.
called actually living condition. If Jivatma, some Jivatma can show some interest, some mood to serve Param Chetan Vastu,
Wenn die Seele ein Interesse zeigt am Dienst zum höchsten Herrn, Inspiration kriegt, Dienste auszuführen, dann sagt Prabhupada, dann ist die Seele am Leben.
Bhagavad Sevakari, those who are doing Bhagavad Seva, they are actually living. And those who are averse to Krishna, Bhagavad Seva Vimukh, they are actually dead body.
Und die, was jetzt eben nicht Krishna-Dienste darbringen, das seien tote Persönlichkeiten sozusagen.
But no, they are not actually living condition.
Man sieht vielleicht äußerlich, dass beide am Leben seien, aber in Wirklichkeit ist die zweite Kategorie nicht am Leben, sondern nur die, was wirklich verstanden haben, dass der Dienst zum höchsten Herrn das Wichtigste ist.
Achaitanya Vidam Vishwam. Total world
Achaitanya
is
Vishwam.
going to show some unconscious state.
Die ganze Welt sagt eigentlich unbewusste,
Because they are averse to Krishna Seva.
die meisten die führen nicht Krishna Seva aus.
We have no
So ist wie ein Koma-Zustand.
Krishna and Krishna. Bhagavan Krishna and Seva is Seva. All sadhu.
Jiva ist dafür bestimmt, Bhagavan und
No other duty. No
die Devotees zu dienen. Das ist keine andere Verantwortung, keine andere Aufgabe.
out of Maya, they can calculate.
Die Leute können
We
denken,
have so many responsibilities in this material world.
in der materiellen Welt sagen sie vielleicht, oh, wir haben so viel Verantwortung und so viele Aufgaben und das müssen wir machen und das müssen wir machen.
There is endless beauty you can find in the material world by the mercy of Mayadevi.
So in der materiellen Welt hat jeder so viele Aufgaben zum Ausführen. Bei der Barmherzigkeitssacke von Maya Devi, der illusionierenden Energie. Aber in Wirklichkeit, die Seele ist nur dafür bestimmt, Krishna zu dienen und die Devotees. So die Jivas, die sind Guru Nityadas.
People going to misuse their liberty given by Supreme Lord.
Die meisten Leute missbrauchen die Freiheit, was der höchste Herr in die Seelen gibt, und fallen sozusagen weiter runter mit dem Bewusstsein in untere, niedrigere Stufen. Also das kommt dann fast schon zu der unbewussten Stufe, der Totenstufe, wo nur mehr Materie ist. Das Missbrauchen von der Freiheit.
All those who are busy with karma kanda, Prabhupada speaking, they are all dead body.
Die Leute, sagt Prabhupada, die was sich mit Karma Kanda beschäftigen, das sind auch alles wandelnde, tote Körper in Wirklichkeit.
Maya Seva, Asat Karya Pravritti. Asat means?
Die sind alle beschäftigt mit Maya Seva. Dienst zu der illusionierenden Energie leisten sie ganz brav.
They are actually karmakanda, they are going to express desire for karmakanda, or speaking those who are busy with karmakanda. They are actually all dead body, and that's why they are busy to do some asat karya, pravritti. To remain indifferent to the absolute truth, absolute speech, to express the mood of indifferent attitude towards absolute truth, Satya Katha Amanulita, and to show aversive attitude towards the service of that absolute truth, Vastav Vastu Anusharane. That is a symptom of a dead body. That is actually the symptom of dead body.
Das Symptom von einem toten Körper ist, dass es ihm ganz gleichgültig ist, wirklich Harikatha zu hören oder sich mit Guru und Vaishnava zu treffen, von ihnen zu hören. Wir haben kein Interesse daran.
Serve that absolute truth, absolute objective. Those are the symptoms of a dead body. That's why they can be called this body. Because they never like to be under the control of Krishna. They always like to be under the control of Maya. That is a symptom of dead body.
Das Symptom wiederholt das Symptom von einem toten Körper ist, wenn du eben mit Maya Devi Dienste leistest, mit Maya Seva beschäftigt bist.
It is not the symptom of Atma Dharma.
So Atma Dharma, diejenigen, was ständig beschäftigt sein mit ihrem Körper, mit ihrer Gesundheit, mit Frieden und Reichtum. So alles, was in Beziehung steht zum Körper und zum Geist. Das ist nicht Atma Dharma. Diejenigen, was etabliert sein in Atma Dharma, die machen sich nicht so viel draus vom Körper und vom Geist, weil es nichts mit Atma Dharma zu tun hat.
avidya. Bhakti, only bhakti can give us
So, nur wirklich Bhakti kann uns transzendentale Glückseligkeit geben.
All other items, whatever thing we are busy to collect, in material condition we may think, we may feel.
All die anderen Dinge, was wir versuchen zu sammeln, oder wenn wir uns fühlen, wir sind nicht glücklich, weil wir das nicht haben oder das nicht haben. Aber in Wirklichkeit, die Leute denken sich das. Die zwei Dinge von glücklich sein oder nicht glücklich sein, das hat keine Existenz in der Ewigkeit.
In the background of past, present, or future, this I am happy, I am sorry, I am not happy. These terms are not allowed because in the background of past, present, or future, these two words, happy, unhappy, cannot prove that they are eternally present. Transcendental bliss of Prakita Sukhanubhuti.
Aber transzendentales Ananda, transzendentale Glückseligkeit, sagt Prabhupada, das Ananda ist das Einzige, was uns wirklich Glückseligkeit geben kann. Andere Dinge können uns nicht zufriedenstellen, vollkommen. Materielles Vergnügen oder materielle Entsagung, beide Seiten, die Leute, was mit den Dingen beschäftigt sind, das ist alles weltlos. So beide Dinge werfen in den Ozean der Misere. Es hat nichts mit Seva zu tun. Ein Hauch von Bhakti ist da dabei. Bhakti und Mukti. Bhakti, Vergnügen, Mukti, Kami. So, die Leute, was die Dinge nachlaufen, die sind immer rastlos. Ashanta. Nur der Krishna Bhakta, Nishkamateva Shanta. Der Krishna Bhakta, der ist Nishkam, der hat keinen Hauch und keine von Unzufriedenheit im Herzen. Nur devotionale Stimmung. Unser Leben ist nur dazu gedacht, Guru und Vaishnava zu Bhagavan zu dienen.
So Niskam Bhakti is very good. Niskam Bhakta is actually, he is alive. He is actually feeling peace, transcendental peace.
So Nishkam Bhakta, der ist wirklich, das ist eine Person, ein Mensch, was am Leben ist.
Because there is no demand. Asahi Paramaduksham, Nairasyam Paramasukham. You can remember Pingala Vesha, the cross. Pingala Vesha.
Da gibt es eine Prostituierte namens Pingala, Uddhav sagt zum Bhagavan.
Someday she feeling disturbance, restless.
So die Prostituierte fühlt sich gestört.
Suddenly she could remember.
Aber durch Satsanga, was sie früher mal gehört hat, sie denkt sich dann, oh, die schmutzigen Wünsche, die bringen mich dauernd in Schwierigkeiten. Ich wünschte, die Schwierigkeit ist gar nicht vorhanden. Bharat Bharakileshwara.
The topmost hero, Bhagavan, if I can dedicate unto his lotus feet, if I can try to serve him.
Sie denkt sich, wenn ich wirklich ihm dienen kann, wenn ich mir ihm hingeben kann,
Can serve that Supreme Lord,
in dem höchsten Herrn dienen kann,
hero, a Prakita hero, then
den transzendentalen Helden, den Aprakrita Hero, dann ist keine Frage von Unzufriedenheit.
she was feeling that way, and ultimately she took decision to dedicate life for the seva.
Schlussendlich hat sie sich dann so entschieden und hat ihr Leben gegeben für den Dienst zu Krishna.
This way, finally, she was out of any trouble, danger, anything. And she was
Und so
bound
ist
to
sie
cross
frei
the
worden
seven
von
rivers.
ihren Fesseln und Schwierigkeiten.
Nairasam Paramasukham. If there is any material hope in my life, this can never give satisfaction. Never, never. Never can give satisfaction. On the contrary, if I am not going to think about material profit and loss, nothing, only I am going to think about seva, I have no desire.
So, wenn du nicht über Gewinn und Verlust nachdenkst, sondern das einfach Seva nur bevorzugst, dann kann keine Unzufriedenheit kommen. Wenn du unzufrieden bist, das fühlst Probleme in deinem Leben, weil eben was abgeht, das oder das.
So you see, whole Jivatma, those who are bonded soul, they are under Maya.
So alle die Seelen, die sind unter dem Band von der Maya.
What is Maya?
Was ist die Maya?
We have no direct feeling.
Wir haben kein direktes
due to
Gefühl.
Maya, we cannot pay attention to Krishna, Bhagavan.
Wir wissen nur, dass Maya uns immer abhaltet von dem Dienst zu Krishna.
We have not direct feeling.
Und wir werden restlos.
If direct feeling is there, then surely you can arrest yourself. Uddharet atmana atmanam atman naiva na atmanam naiva avasade. This sloka. Our Dasadev Goswami could realize this point. By the mercy of Gurudev Naraji Maharaj, he was concentrating on lotus feet of Bhagavan, bhajan. Finally, he was successful. Actually, he is the Vyasadevi Saktavis avatar still. By the mercy of Guru Padma, Naraji Maharaj is going to concentrate his mind onto lotus feet of Supreme Lord. And in Bhagavatam it is written suddenly,
So im Bhagavatam ist geschrieben,
Vyasadeva Goswami could see
dass Vyasadeva
that Bhagavan is there.
dort sehen kann, dass Bhagavan da ist.
Apashat Purusham Purnam Mayancha Tadapasrayam. Also, he could see Maya. Both
So er hat
down
beide
behind.
Seiten gesehen, die illusionierende Energie, Maya und Bhagavan.
It is written in
So
Srimad
Maya hat sich
Bhagavatam
verbeugt von hinten zum
about
höchsten Herrn.
Vyasadeva Goswami. Bhakti yogena manasi swamma pranihiti amale apashat purusham purnam mayancha tadapasrayam. What is speaking? What is written? Bhakti yogena manasi swamma pranihiti amale apashat purusham purnam mayancha tadapasrayam. By the help of Bhakti Yoga, his mind was so pure, Vishuddha. Bhakti Yogena Manasi Sammak Pranihita Amali. When mind and heart become so pure, it is just one kind of, teachings. Otherwise, Vyasadeva Goswami always pure, but still doing this kind of lila so that we can learn. Bhakti yogena manasi sammak pranihita amale apashat purusham purnam mayancha tadapasrayam. When he was, in a very pure, clean heart and mind was stayed, at time, Vyasadeva could see Bhagavan. Vyasadeva could see Kanti, effulgence, Angsa and Sarup Shakti together with Saraswati, he could see Krishna. And just backside of Bhagavan, there was Maya Shakti. He could see. This is called Maya. We know some philosophy. If we have some direct feeling, then never we can become busy for enjoyment, material enjoyment. Jehi sangsparsaja bhogaha duksha janayo evate adantavanta kantayo no teshu ramate buddha. Those who are really intelligent, they never become busy. They never run for material enjoyment. In Srimad Bhagavad Gita Mahapuran is written in first canto, 7th chapter. Bhakti yogena manasi sammak pranahidhyamale avashyat purusham purnam mayancha tadapasrayam. And that Maya, what kind of Maya? What kind of Maya? Definition it is given here, just next row. Jaya sanamahita jivo atmanam trigunaatmakam paro yopi manute anartham tatkritan chari paddate. Jaya sanamahito jivo atmanam trigunaatmakam paro yopi manute anartham tatkritan chari paddate. Jaya means by the influence of that Maya, Jaya, Sanmahita, Jiva, all Jivatma, they are hypnotized. They are just hypnotized, all Jiva. They are just hypnotized by the magic spell of Maya. All Jivatma. Because Maya going to play with three gun, Satarajamatamam Tigun, three modes of nature. Avidya is there, is playing. Maya going to cover up them with Avidya and going to play with them and going to give them treatment in jail by the help of Trigun. And it is written, Paro Yopi Manute Anartham. Repeatedly I told before, though these Jivatma, they have no connection, nothing to do with Maya. No connection with Maya. That's why it is written, Paro Yopi Manute Anartham. Jiva, they are Param Chetan Vastu. Paro Yopi, they have some absolute state. Covered. Paro Yopi Manute Anartham. But still, they are going to show some anartha. Paro yopi manute anartham tatkritan chari paddate. Though he is out of Maya, still going to discover herself, of Jiva, they are going to discover themselves in relation to Maya. Any identity, any activities, any purpose, any plan and program, everything all related to.
Alle Dinge der Welt, das seien in Beziehung mit Maya, die stehen in Beziehung mit Maya. Das ist das Hauptproblem in der Welt.
You can remember I was speaking.
Also Shambhas Prabhupada hat darüber gesprochen, dass die Mayavadis denken, dass sie Mukta sind.
Jivan Mukta Kari Mane. Gyani Jivan Mukta Kari Mane. Mahaprabhu speaking. Sanatan actually, those Mayavadi,
Mahaprabhu sagt
those
zum
Gyanis, dry
Sanatan Goswami.
knowledge they had. They are always thinking, we are Mukta.
Mayavadis, die
We
haben
are free from the corruption of
trockenes Spekulieren, trockenes Wissen,
Even more.
aber sie haben so ein aufgeblasenes Ego.
Because it is dangerous. They are actually ignorant. Those who are ignorant, if they are going to claim
So diejenigen, was in der Unwissenheit sind, okay, wenn die jetzt sagen, sie seien so große Gelehrte, dann wird nicht viel passieren.
Come countless jivas are what to speak
Und wenn die
about.
Mayavadis voll spielen
Countless.
und die ziehen dann Tausende von Jivas
They are coming from in the
Ja,
form of human beings.
in die falsche Richtung.
Oh, very common. They cannot discover the actual truth.
So Tausende von Menschen haben Schwierigkeit eben
That those Mayavadis who think themselves Jnani.
die absolute Wahrheit zu finden.
In the ocean of avidya, they think themselves Jnani.
Weil immer alles bedeckt sein mit Avidya.
Antare vartamana swayam. They are themselves inside the covering of avidya. But they think themselves we are dear, very peaceful, very nice, we are pandit, we are out of mind.
Aber die Mayavadis, obwohl sie
It's a complicated mood.
wirklich in Avidya sein, denken sie sich, oh, sie sind die Wissenden, sie sind die und so weiter. Er sagt, diejenigen, was kompliziert sein, die können nicht Krishna Bhajan ausführen. Komplizierter Verstand, komplizierter Geist, der kann nicht Krishna Bhajan ausführen.
They can never do both. It is not possible. They are busy with Lap Puja Pratishtha, that means
Sie sind immer selber beschäftigt mit La Puja und Pratishtha.
Antara Bahire
Antara Bahire Samavyahar. So innen und außen, dass man wirklich gleich ist.
Money, position, everything from your honor, from you.
Das ist ein Vaishnava, nicht kappert. Falsch.
It is your highness that you are allowing me to do bhajan of Harikatha. Our previous Guru Varga actually, especially Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami speaking, Shakal Sotar Kari Charan Bandham. I am going to worship
So Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami hat gesagt, er verehrt all die Lotusfüße von denjenigen, die was das Chaitanya Charitamrita hören.
Shakal Sotar Kari Charan Bandham. I am going to pray. I am going to worship all the lotus feet of
Er verehrt all die Lotusfüße von denjenigen, die was
Chaitanya Charitamrita.
aus dem Chaitanya Charitamrita hören.
Shakal Sotar Kari Charan Bandham. Bandhana. So in Kathopanishad we are having very nice information. Is Kathopanishad going to give us warning? Avidyayam antare vartamana swayam dhiraha panditam annamana dandramamana parishanti mura andhennaiva niyamana yathandha. A blind man can never be guided by another blind man.
So eine blinde Person kann keine andere Person leiten. Das gleiche sagt gerade der Prahlad Maharaj im Srimad Bhagavatam.
Prahlad Maharaj speaking, same thing. Andha yathandai rupaniyamana teyoga sichadanta murudam nibhadhya. Their bondage is more than ordinary people. Their bondage is more than ordinary because they are excessive. They are showing the excessive attitude. You know. So their bondage is more than ordinary people.
So er sagt, dass die Mayavadis sind enorm mehr verstrickt als wie normale Leute. Und der Blinde kann niemals andere führen.
This way all a question of ignorance of mind. Everybody thinking. They are thinking, we are knowledgeable personality, we are very, you know. Why?
Alle denken sie, oh, sie seien so...
This way, all in bondage.
Sie wissen so viel, sie sind so intelligent, aber in Wirklichkeit sind sie mehr und mehr verstrickt.
Because in the name of Vidya, they are going to exercise, they are going to Anushilan, they are doing avidya. More and more avidya can come. And the sloka from Bhagavatam is saying, Jaya Sanvehita Jiva Atmanam Trigunatmana. All jivas, they are bonded soul, they are tatastha jivas.
All die Seelen, die sind Tatastha Jivas.
Confined by Maya.
Und die sind gefangen, festgehalten von Maya.
Get free from Maya, not possible.
Und können sich nicht befreien, es ist ihnen nicht möglich. Es hat in den letzten Tagen auch davon gesprochen, dass ohne die Hilfe von Guru und Vaishnava es ist unmöglich, aus dem Maya rauszukommen.
Maya re Koriya
Jai, Charana Jai, Sadhguru Krishna, Nahi Kripa.
One bonded soul, Tatastha Takti Jiva, Chit particle can never go out of Maya.
So, Tatastha Jiva, Chit Partikel, atomischer Partikel, kann niemals allein aus der Maya sich befreien. Braucht immer die Hilfe von Sadhguru und Vaishnava.
Pure Guru Vaishnava, why repeatedly I am speaking, those who are already having Saraswati Kripa. If Saraswati Kripa is not there,
So, es müssen Sadhus sein, Vaishnava mit Swarup Shakti Kripa. Nicht nur extern, dass sie in der Kleidung sein von einem Sannyasi oder einem Weltentsagen.
That's why it is very important. If Saraswati Kripa is already there with one sadhu, in that case he can give some mercy to you. Saraswati Kripa is not there, then how? If you have no money, I am going to ask 10 rupees, how you can?
Wenn du kein Geld hast selber,
All if you have money,
nachher, wenn jemand fragt, ob du aber 10 Rupees haben kann, dann kannst du auch nichts geben. So, nur was du hast, kannst du geben. So viele dumme Leute, die meisten die laufen falsche Sadhus und Gurus nach,
they are foolish.
obwohl die Sadhus und Gurus in Wirklichkeit gar nicht das haben oder besitzen, was die Seelen suchen. Das sind alles die Blinden, was in Blinde führen. Und sie haben halt insgeheim eine Hoffnung, dass sie so befreit werden von der Maya. Aber es ist nicht der Fall.
The bonded condition of Gurudev, I mean Asad Guru, is more than disciple. He can become angry with me, I know.
So die Verstrickung von einem falschen Guru ist mehr als wie die von einer normalen, herkömmlichen Seele. Diejenigen, was einweihen wollen, nehmen, das ist nicht so eine hohe, große Fessel. Aber die, was jetzt als falsche Gurus agieren oder handeln, die sind in Wirklichkeit noch mehr in Dunkelheit. Die rutschen ganz leicht ab in die Hölle. Unqualifizierte Leute eben die Rolle von Gurus übernehmen. Die spirituelle Lehrer, Präzeptoren.
The ordinary Jivatma, those who are making wrong decision to take Diksha, that's liberal, okay? So don't think otherwise. Absolutely, it is correct. The independent Jiva is a beloved eternal servant of Sri Krishna. Repeatedly we know, Jiva is Swarupa Krishna Nityadas. We are speaking, we are memorizing.
Swarupa Krishna Nityadas. Wir haben schon so oft gehört, aber wir hatten wirklich realisiert. Wenn wir nicht realisieren, was hat es dann für einen Wert? Die Seele ist der ewige Geweihte, eben Liebe von Krishna.
Because Saraswati victory, until and unless Saraswati victory going to touch the heart of that bonded soul through, I mean by the help of pure Guru Vaishnava, till then we cannot speak.
So, ohne das Bhakti fließt im Herz nachher. Bhakti bedeutet Aktion, Seva. So deswegen Wenn man jetzt in dem Jivera Swarup Hare Krishna Nitya Das nur Nitya Das sagt, das ist ein Dienertum. So. Aber da ist noch kein Bhakti vorhanden.
Master, so he cannot serve. It can so happen. But still the title, master and servant, I mean father or son, this kind of relationship we cannot deny. This is the main point. The independent jiva is the beloved eternal servants of Sri Krishna, and thus Sri Krishna is very kind and compassionate towards all those jiva. Watching the misfortune
So
of
Krishna
jiva,
sieht das Unglück
as
von
they
der
are
Seele.
misusing their
Und er
liberty
weiß, dass sie eben ihre
and going to
Freiheit
hell day by day.
falsch verwendet haben.
Bhagavan going to take action. Bhagavan also very clever. Like a fisherman,
Aber Bhagavan selber
especially those who are
hat eine Masse an Tricks, wo er dann versucht, die Seelen wieder auf den
and putting
richtigen
some string
Weg zu
inside
bringen.
water. Fishing guard, they are very clever. They have information there is nice fish. They are going to give nice thing
So wie
in the hook.
diejenigen, die was fischen gehen, die was auf dem Haken ein bisschen Brot oder Würmer geben,
Fish is
und
playing,
die
they
wissen,
are
dass
also
der
playing,
Fisch
they are also
zubeißen
playing,
wird.
playing. And ultimately fish,
Und schlussendlich hängt dann der Fisch am
ultimately
Haken.
the fish is going to feel greedy and going to swallow the string and the hook going to stuck up there in the throat. And the fisherman, who is doing fishing guard, going to take out from water. This way, Mayadevi going to put all different kind of lucrative offer.
So genau auf die gleiche Art hat Maya die Illusionierende so viele lukrative Angebote, stellt sie vor unsere Nasen und wir spielen mit dem und wir beißen zu und wir fallen ein. Wenn wir zum Beispiel schöne Umgebungen sehen wollen oder wir wollen immer köstliche Dinge essen und wir wollen Lieder hören, materielle Lieder.
Everybody can like, organ, they can play. This way, Mayadevi going to
So Maya Devi hat so viele Angebote für die materiellen Leute.
around the world, and all those jivas somehow, if they are going to feel attraction, then they are in bondage condition. Already bonded, so eternally bonded. Sometimes they have the opportunity to see good and bad. All like Ajami. Though he have some conception about this is good and this is bad, but still attraction of Maya was too much and Chidbal was not there. So he was caught by Maya, total Maya. This way actually Mayadevi is going to offer us different lucrative offers, going to show us lucrative offer. And if at all we are going to feel attraction, then and Bhagavan Sri Krishna, everything coming from Maya, everything coming from Krishna. Maya also, Bhagavan eternal, Jeev eternal, Karma anadi, Maya also anadi.
Maya ist ewig, Karma ist ewig, Jiva ist ewig.
This way, when those Jivatmas they are going to misuse their liberty,
So wenn die
then Krishna also
Jivatmas
going
ihre
to
Freiheit
make a nice
missbrauchen,
plan,
dann
strategy.
hat Krishna immer noch eine
Krishna
Strategie
also
für
want
sie.
to deliver them.
So Krishna will auch versuchen, die
Jivas
zu
then material
befreien.
mind stage is there. Krishna going to give them advantage so that they can extreme high position, ma bhava, they can reach up to that point. So Krishna giving we're also going to offer different kind of offer to all jivas. Krishna going to appear in this material world to deliver all those jivas. Sri Krishna, the ocean of compassion, his heart get melted with
So
mercy.
ist Krishna der Ozean der Barmherzigkeit. Krishnas Herz schmilzt immer,
So Krishna
wenn er die
will
Seelen der
manifest
Welt sieht, wie
his Achinta Lila.
blind sie eben der illusionierenden Energie nachlaufen.
Bhajante Tadrushi Lila, in 10th canto we find, Bhajante Tadrushi Lila, Jasut Tatpara Bhave. Krishna doing Achinta Lila, sweet Lila, so that all bonded soul, they can feel some attraction in this material world, thinking that his appearance will
So, warum Krishna, warum hat er so schöne Spiele, um eben die Seelen anzuziehen zu den nektargleichen Pastimes, die Spiele von Krishna. Dass sich die Seele angezogen fühlt von den Spielen.
Even after being soured by more and more mercy, still then cannot. Krishna then descends in Sri Navadvip Dham in the form of Guru. Guru Padma used to say very often.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ist in Navadvip erschienen. Gurudev hat oft erwähnt, wer es vom Premvivarta von Jagadananda. Jagadananda sagt, er sagt, dass es eben in dem Kali-Zeitalter ganz schwer ist, wirkliche Sadhus zu finden. Die meisten verstehen eben nicht, wer ein wahrer Sadhu, ein wirklicher Vaishnava ist.
Krishna is more and more merciful when Krishna watching that jiva anyhow don't like to take kipa. Like you can remember when Mahaprabhu was speaking about Gopi, 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 Gopi in Chaitanya Bhagavatam.
Mahaprabhu, im Chaitanya Bhagavatam findet man, wo Mahaprabhu lauft und schreit Gopi, Gopi, Gopi und ein paar Studenten, die sagen, oh, warum sagst du nicht Krishna, warum sagst du Gopi, Gopi? Mahaprabhus Gefühl zu der Zeit war ganz hoch, ganz tief absorbiert. Und nachher ist er den Studenten nachgelaufen mit dem Stock.
Simply because we are speaking good, speak Krishna, why you speak? So let us make a plan and program, we can beat Nimai.
Und die Studenten haben wollten das umdrehen und sie wollten dann, okay, Nimai will uns schlagen, so jetzt will man auch schlagen. In Chaitanya Bhagavatam steht, sobald sie eine Entscheidung getroffen haben, dass sie Chaitanya Mahaprabhu prügeln wollen. Nachher ist alles verschwunden, die ganze materielle Ausbildung, die ganze Schulbildung. Sie können sich nicht mehr an irgendwelche Sanskrit-Wurzeln oder an die Sprache überhaupt erinnern. Sobald du Bhagavan versuchst eben zu kritisieren, Guru und Vaishnava, man kann jederzeit alle günstigen Dinge, die können verschwinden.
When some bonded soul going to cross over the limitation of how to behave with Guru Vaishnava.
Also wenn eine Seele wirklich zu weit geht, das Limit überschritten hat,
80 years,
und
then
fangen an, Guru und Vaishnava zu kritisieren.
lifespan can come down.
So, wenn die normal länger leben würden, nachher ist es ganz leicht möglich, dass sie viel, viel früher die Welt verlassen. Oder durch Apparates vergehen, wenn sie eben körperlich, sie schauen eben nicht mehr so schön aus, ihre ganze Schönheit verschwindet, ihr Glanz verschwindet.
Yaso, if any good fame and name, all vanish. Dharma, general Dharma, all they have done something, all the fire sacrifice, the result, all vanish. Ayu Sriya Yaso Dharma, Lokana Asisu Evacho. Suppose some senior grandmother, this, that, they are going to bless, that blessing is there, that blessing can also go away. Ayu Sriyo Yaso Dharma, Lokanasi Sevacha Hunting Sriyans Sarvani. All auspicious things.
So alle sogar Segnungen können verschwinden aus dem Leben von den Personen, die was Guru und Vaishnava und Krishna kritisieren.
So when they took decision to beat Nimai Pandit,
sobald eben die Jungen oder die Studenten jetzt sich entschieden haben, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu zu prügeln, ist eben all ihr materielles Wissen verschwunden. So, zu der Zeit hat der Mahaprabhu sich entschieden, Sannyas anzunehmen.
I think they cannot beat me. On the contrary, they can grow some compassion for me. Nimai was very nice student, very nice, He has taken the sannyas, oh my God. This way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was bound to take decision to take sannyas. There are so many reasons. This is one of the reasons.
Es ist einer von den Gründen, warum Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Sannyas angenommen hat.
Mahaprabhu going to take birth in Vajjit in the form of Sadhu Guru Veda. Jagadananda Pandit speaking that Kali Kale Sadhu Bhava Kothin Janiya. Jagadananda speaking.
Jagadananda Pandit sagt, in Kalikal ist es wirklich ganz, ganz schwer, mit wirklichen wahre Sadhus sich zu treffen. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur sogar, oh, Gentlemen, hört zu, in dem Kali-Zeitalter, das ist wirklich schwer. Du kannst die ganze Welt auf verschiedenen Kontinenten suchen, aber es ist schwierig, einen wirklichen Vaishnava zu finden.
But it's really difficult to meet with one genuine sadhu. Even after, suppose you are going to meet with one genuine sadhu, still you cannot understand his will. You cannot understand. Because you have no fundamental idea about who is sadhu, who is asadhu. You have no idea. So how you can understand? So Bhaktivinoda was speaking, oh gentleman, after searching whole world, it is really difficult to meet with a genuine sadhu. Who is always busy,
so einen Sadhu zu treffen, der was immer damit beschäftigt ist, der tief absorbiert ist in Krishna-Seva und versucht für alle Jivatmas nur das Beste zu finden. Das ist ganz, ganz selten.
So ultimately when Jivatma, both the Jiva, they are not ready to understand the Leela of Krishna, that Krishna also took decision, okay, they cannot understand me, my Leela, they are going to criticize me. I can come in the form of
Krishna hat sich dann angedacht, indem ich so kritisieren, nachher, okay, dann spiele ich auch mal, nachher die Sache ist, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu erschienen, oder Sannyas hat angenommen.
To bestow more and more kripa to them. However, the Jiva does not understand the absolute truth about the Krishna's pastime, even after being
Lebensstand will er dann mehr und mehr Barmherzigkeit verteilen für die Personen, die was ihn kritisiert haben.
In Sri Navadvip Dhan in the form of Gaura, Mahaprabhu personally describes the supreme process of chanting his name, form, and all other things, pastimes, a person, everything, all related to Krishna, Krishna's name, fame, parikar, paraphernalia, dham, nam, how to make, all, everything. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu about it is written there. Savakti
Sudam Nicha Bhajanamudram Upadishan Chaitanya Kimme Punarapitishu Saravatam.
You can remember.
Das ist ein wichtiger Vers vom Rupa Goswami aus dem Chaitanya
Savakti
Astakam.
Shuddhyam, how to do bhajan. Oh man, Krishna bhajan is not so easy. But yet, it is so easy, that I cannot describe. Because it is Atma Dharma to do. So, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu going to show the procedure of bhajan, how to do nam, what is should be the feeling. All the Goswamis, they are writing all different books and philosophy. All explanation of Sikhastaka. Sikhastakam Sambandha Vidya Brajan Tattva. And after the absolute
Shikshastakam Sambandha Vidya and Prayojan
of a
Tattva.
lucky jiva who is going to attain Krishna Prema,
So wenn eine Seele jetzt wirklich, eine glücklich
with
glückliche
Madhu
Seele
Baba,
jetzt
exclusive
wirklich
Baba, is exclusive. In that case, what should be the mood of a jiva? All in Sikhastakam Mahaprabhu going to show, all the Goswami literatures, everything, Vaishnava literatures, everything, all total explanation of the Sikhastakam. How to do Krishna bhajan, how to love Krishna. Bonded soul, they have no conception, they don't understand the utility of Krishna. What I can do with Krishna? It's okay. It's okay, we are, don't disturb us, it's okay. We can show some play of bhajan play. Like in small age, we used to do, one man is a butterfly or somebody blind, and he is going to butterfly is going to show that he is blind, covered up eyes, and is going to search. And thief and this kind of play. So this way, big problem is there. All bonded soul, they are in such a painful condition, they don't understand even the utility of bhajan, harinam, or at all they could understand something, they like to utilize this harinam, hari bhajan, for the purpose of attaining topmost position in the world, la puja patishtha. This is their utility. They don't understand the utility of bhajan. Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami, we have seen, we are very lucky. Kesava Goswami Maharaj doing bhajan, Madhu Goswami Maharaj, oh so nice. All the time they are busy with Krishna bhajan. Their mood is how to satisfy Krishna. It matters little. It matters little whether you are going to appreciate or not. Their mood all the time is to serve Bhagavan. Their mood is to seek the total satisfaction of Krishna. A group of officer, port trust officer, they used to come to my Guru Maharaj in Chaitanya Nagari Math, Calcutta, 3rd floor. Very often they used to come, they used to love Maharaj. Whenever they are coming, they find Maharaj writing. Maharaj doing Harinam morning time, from night 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. And after everybody is sleeping, they because all disturbed. Whole day writing this, that, maybe noon time, closing, room. They are asking all the time, Maharaj, you are writing and writing and writing all day and night, what you are writing? And who is going to read? You are writing so much, who is going to read, Maharaj? Maharaj laughing. I am writing by the desire, by the instruction of Prabhupada. I am writing not because people can give me some award. I am writing not because people can give some award. I never want to get any appreciation. All Vaishnava Siddhanta Vichar under the guidance of Prabhupada Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Different topics I am writing in different articles, books, everything. Only with this desire that I am doing the Seva, Bani Seva under the guidance of Prabhupada, that much satisfaction is sufficient for me. I can feel Prabhupada is very satisfied because Prabhupada, he has given me this pen. Many times Guru Padma told. Prabhupada has given me this pen in my life and giving me instruction, you go on with Seva, Bani Seva. From then onward up to this point I am going to die. I am going to leave my body, still continuously I am going to do this Seva, non-stop Seva. Even at the old age when Guru Maharaj cannot write properly. Because hand shaking, but still he is writing. I can show you this kind of writings I have. You cannot read, all shaking, hand shaking but still writing. So this way, the more bonded soul like to get escape from the Kripa of Bhagavan, the more Bhagavan like to plan so that bonded soul, they can come to such a level so that they can develop their consciousness, Krishna consciousness, they can feel. So we cannot blame Sri Krishna at all. It is not possible for us to blame Krishna. Reasonable judgment should be there. We can never think Krishna is, no, we cannot think that way. Is impossible. Always Krishna is helping us in the form of Guru Vaishnava. You can remember the sloka, very often I used to speak. Janasya Krishnad Vimukasya Daivad Adharma Sirasya Sudukkitasya Anugrahaiha Charanti Nunam Bhutani Bhavyani Janardanasya. All the time. Janasya Krishnad Vimukasya Daivad. Janasya Krishnad Vimukhasya Daiva Adharma Silasya Sudukhitasya Anugrahayeho Charanti Nunam Bhutani Bhavyani Janardanasya. All the deputed personalities, devotees, messengers of Janardan, they are all traveling all around this world in search of such a soul who is at all something interested to go out of Maya. They like to help them so that they can cut Maya and get established in Hari Bhajan. Many times Prabhupada used to speak to help develop the eternal Sarup of Jiva is called topmost Kripa. Jivedaya Krishna Nam Sarvadharmasa. Is a Jivedaya, Prabhupada is explaining. If you like to show Jivedaya, if you distribute some fruits and flowers and khichdi, hodgepodge, or you can give some cloth or blanket. But Prabhupada speaking, the topmost explanation of Jivadaya is to help bonded soul to get back their lost consciousness. Follow. So that they can cut their Maya, they can at least realize what is happening, what will happen. This is called topmost Kripa. So this way, Krishna is going to arrange everything right from, because bonded soul there, Krishna can give, always like to give them eligibility. Krishna has made the jiva's eligibility for all conditions, from the marginal condition with having bonded mind, everything, to the highest stage of Mahabhava. And to facilitate the jivas progressing practically and very strong way towards becoming qualified for Krishna's service. Krishna is going to give them facility all the time. So anyway, we have no right to blame. We have no right to blame. We cannot say that Krishna is not helping us. It's not possible for us to speak that way. Anyway, somebody going to put this kind of question, why Krishna going to arrange Maya? Krishna is all powerful, can destroy Maya. But actually, many times I discussed before, Krishna cannot interfere with the liberty of all those jivas. At the same time, Krishna going to give them help, want to help them so that they can come out of Maya. Maya is also good. In Brahma Samhita, the question of Maya is explained by Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Srishti Siddhi Palaya Sadhana Sakti Rekha Chayeva Jasya Bhuvanani Vivarti Durga Ichchanurupamapi Jasya Chachista Tesa Govindamadi Purusham Tamam Bhajan. You are going to pray Dandavadhan to the lotus feet of that Govindamadi Purusham, the original cause of everything. That Govindamadi Purusham is Maya. Srishti Siddhi Palaya. Srishti, creation, sthiti, stability of this, human life. Srishti Sthiti Pralaya. Pralaya and destruction. Srishti Sthiti Pralaya Sadhana Sakti Rekha. Chayeva Jasya. Just like the shadow of that Yogamaya Sakti. Yogamaya Sakti, eternal potency, and the shadow is Durga, Maya Sakti, going to help Krishna. It is the order of Krishna. So she is going to execute the order of Krishna. What wrong in it? Brahma is bound to do this kind of seva. Shankar is bound to do this kind of seva. All standing instruction. They are bound to do this seva. They have no other way. They cannot violate the instruction of Bhagavan. So they are doing. Kapilji Maharaj is speaking to mother. Surya Stapati Madhvaya. Sun God going to give heat, energy. Because Sun God always fear me. Madhvayat Bhato Bhati. Surya Stapati Madhvayat. Wind going to blow according to the instruction of Supreme Lord. So everybody, they are going to carry out the order of Supreme Lord. Mayadevi also going to carry out the order of Bhagavan Sri Krishna. She is going to serve Krishna that way. What to do? That's why she is going to feel shy. That's why she cannot come in front of Bhagavan. From backside she is paying Dandavat. The sloka I already told. Vasudev Goswami going to watch Supreme Divinity with all potency, everything, and Maya Sakti behind. Jaya Sanmihita Jivaha. All Jiva, Chatusha Sakti, all these Jivas, they are hypnotized by the magic spell of Maya. Actually, everybody, who not, everybody, they are bound to carry out the instruction of Krishna. Delegation of authority. So we have no right to blame Krishna. Why Krishna not going to? Though sometime we are finding in Bhagavatam here there, some Rishi Mani, some Bhakta, they are praying to Supreme Lord, oh Prabhu, you please, unveil the screen of Maya. It is one prayer. We can pray because it is the standing instruction. Bhagavan already speaking in Gita. Mamego je prapaddante maya metam tarantiti. No other way. those who are going to submit unto my lotus feet, only and only they can go out of my, so they are praying. Jaya Jaya Jaja Jamajita Dosa Givito Guna Tamasi Jatatmano Samabara Ruddha Samasta Bhaga Avajagadhopa Samagila Sakta Bhagodakati. This kind of soul. They are all praying, oh Prabhu, Aja Maya is useless, Prabhu, please lift this Maya. We have no power to fight with Maya. Your Mama Maya Durattaya. Bhagavan told Mama Maya Durattaya. Even Shankar, Brahma, they can also
Shankar, Brahma
come into the influence of Maya. If
die
Bhagavan
kan nah
wants
unter
to. Mohini Avatar,
den Einfluss kommen von Mahamaya. Rohini Avatar.
Supreme Lord speaking to Shankar, you need not see this. No, I like to see. Are you did not see this avatar. Somehow I was bound to help the Prabhu, all avatar I have seen, you will have to help me to see. Well, sometime I can show you. But when Bhagavan going to play this role of Mahini
So wenn Bhagavan die Rolle spielt von Bhagavan, und Shankar, der kennt sich auch nicht mehr aus.
Brahma, Shankar, they cannot stand in front of the Maya of Bhagavan. Follow, it's very typical.
So die haben alle,
Maya de Kuriya Joy, Charano na Jai. Impossible.
wir können nicht den Maya überqueren.
When Shankar totally defeated in front of
So
Maya,
wenn Shankar
then Krishna appeared from
besiegt
Mahini
wurde,
Avatar, then Shankar was shocked.
und Krishna ist aus der Mohini Avatar erschienen.
What happens? Why you are playing Maya? Oh Prabhu, I am very sorry. You see, Mama
Und
Maya.
später hat er sich dann gezeigt, der Krishna.
But it is written, Shankar is topmost among all demigods.
Sich als der Mohini Murti manifestiert hat.
Shankar Tattva, very complicated. And actually, Shankar Bhagavan, actually about Shankar it is written, Shankar is Mrityunjay. Mrityunjay. Death cannot touch Shankar.
So Shankar, hierin steht geschrieben, dass er Mrityunjay ist, Kamvijay ist.
Material Kamjay.
Aber doch
When
materieller
Bhagavan
Kamvijay.
that way,
Und
who can
Bhagavan
stand in front of Bhagavan? Who can stand?
so und so handelt,
So we are not going to blame
wer
Shankar. It's quite
fällt
natural.
dann
But anyway,
nicht in
we respect
Illusion.
Bhagavan. Because Bhagavan also respects Shankar. So, about Maya it is written, Maya is also serving Bhagavan. We cannot blame Maya. Maya is also serving. Sisti Siti Pralaya Sadhana Sakti Rekha Chayeva Jasya Bhavanani Vivarti Durga Ichhanurupam Pi Jasya Chestate Sa Govindamadi Purusham Tamam Jaya. Brahma Samhita. Very nice.
Saga ist aus der Brahma Samhita Shisti Pralayana Sadhana Shakti Rekha Chayeva Yassi Bhavanani Bibharati Durga.
Maya Shakti also coming from Bhagavan. To whom to
So
blame?
Maya Shakti ist eine Energie vom höchsten Herrn.
The Maya Shakti is the shadow of the Sarup Shakti.
Die Maya Shakti ist der Schatten von der Swarup Shakti vom höchsten Herrn.
Thus, she is a, that original Sarup Shakti coming in the form of shadow in this material world and coming in this form to put all jivas in Maya, illusion. So, she is the vitiated transformation of the pure transcendental energy, Sarup Shakti. Nothing wrong in it. Maya is one kind of instrument.
So, Maya ist ein Instrument vom Bhagavan, die Verantwortung oder den Job, dass sie so handelt. Und die konditionierte Seele, durch das, dass sie immer Rückschläge kriegt von der Maya, reinigt. Und dass sie dann wieder zurückfindet zum höchsten Herrn.
as a tool to
So als ein
purify
Werkzeug benutzt
the
der höchste
conditioned
Herr
jivas
und die Maya.
and always trying to make them eligible for elevation. One point is very important. Bhaktivinoda Thakur praying in front of Yogamaya.
Es gibt auch einen wichtigen Punkt, so wie Bhaktivinoda Thakur, der betet da vor der Yogamaya, Kuladevi Yogamaya, Morakripa Karya Varuna Sambari Bekara Vishadari, Sunachya Gamma, Tare Mukti Dira Korya Shoka Bari, Nishkapata Hai Mata. Das ist ein Kirtan, was von Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Kuladevi Yogamaya, Morakripa Kori, Avarana Sambari Bekara Vishadari, Nijagame Veda, Moya Dhurera, Sri Krishna Kira, Samsara.
This way, Bhaktivinoda Thakur writing nice kirtan.
Das ist ein ganz schöner Kirtan mit einer tiefen Bedeutung.
Please try to
Oh, bitte Yogamaya, lass den Vorhang von meinen Augen verschwinden.
Bhagavan.
Die Bedeckung
It
von
is
meinen
not
Augen.
possible for Maya. Try to understand this vital point. It is not possible for Maya to cover up Bhagavan. The Bhagavan is
Maya kann nicht
behind the
den
screen.
Bhagavan
It is okay.
bedecken
But for that, I
mit
cannot
dem
consist in a Bhima.
Vorhang.
That Maya
Nur
will
die
cover up Krishna.
Seelen, das der Jivas.
It is not
Krishna kann
possible
niemals
for
bedeckt werden von der halluzinierenden Energie, auch wenn er in die Welt
But
kommt.
Maya can cover the eyes of one ritual. Try to understand.
Sondern Maya, die
It is
bedeckt die Augen von den
It
verstrickten
is
Seelen.
trying to say
Aber nicht,
that
sie hat
Maya
nicht
will cover.
die Möglichkeit, Krishna zu
How
bedecken,
can that?
weil sie ist ein Diener von Krishna.
Maya can cover up the eyes of Jiva. That much can. Like one example I can see. Now at present I see the sun god is not there. A piece of cloud coming and when you cover up sun god.
Er kann das Beispiel geben mit der Sonne und mit den Wolken, dass vielleicht jetzt jemand da sitzt und sagt jetzt, weil in der Wolke sich vor die Sonne geschoben hat, dass es existiert keine Sonne. So, das ist seine Ansicht, falsche Ansicht.
Going to come in such a place so that bonded soul no more can discover sun. This much we
So
can.
genau so bedeckt Yogamaya die Seelen in der
We
Welt,
cannot say that
dass sie eben keine Ahnung haben vom Bhagavan.
how possible. Similarly,
Aber die Seele kann nicht die Sonne verdecken, sondern nur die Augen von demjenigen,
Yogamaya Savabrisam, Yogamaya Savabrisam
auf sie schaut oder eben in dem Fall in Unwissenheit ist.
Yogamaya, but Mahamaya cannot cover. Bhagavan purposely
Da gibt es eine andere Energie, ein Yogamaya, die kann Krishna bedecken, weil eben, dass eben gewisse Spiele stattfinden können
So
und dass
this
er
is also you can see
das mehr
that the piece
wirklich
of cloud
ausleben
now
kann.
coming in the sky in such a position, it is going to make the cloud, piece of cloud going to make a barrier between me and the sun god. No more I can see. So for that reason I cannot say that the cloud going to cover the sun. Where is sun and where is earth? So the Lord uses Maya as a tool to purify the conditioned jivas, to make them eligible for elevation. Only the Kirtan I am speaking, Kulodevi Yugma Murkiba Kuri, Ho Kulodevi Yogamaya, by out of the Sposeless mercy, try to take away the screen, take off the screen.
Aus deiner Barmherzigkeit, Yogamaya, bitte lass den Vorhang verschwinden, denn was du vor mir
I
geschoben
have
hast.
heard, Bhaktivinoda was speaking, I have heard from Veda, Upanishad, everywhere, Sunecha Agam Vedi,
Sunetya Gamme Vede Mahimatumar, so sie haben alle
that you are going
allen
to give punishment to
Ruhm.
those bonded souls,
über von die Vedas gehört, dass eben die Yoga Maya denen, die was jetzt dienen wollen, denen hilft sie die Yoga Maya, die was wieder ihren ursprünglichen Seva aufnehmen wollen und denen, was eben es nicht wollen, die kriegen sozusagen einen Kick von der Maya, die im materiellen Samsara, im materiellen Kreislauf von Geburt und Tod. Aber Yoga Maya Devi ist hier organisiert, damit man wirklich dann schlussendlich auch mit Guru Sadhu und Vaishnava zusammenkommt. Krishna Vimukh.
And by luckily, those jivas, they are somehow Brahmanda Bhamite Guna Bhagavan Jiva.
Brahmanda Brahmile Konivana Bhagavan Jiva Guru Krishna Barsai bei Bhakti Lata Bid.
Positive attitude.
Also wenn die Seelen positive Einstellung haben, nachher hat so Seele die Möglichkeit mit Guru und Vaishnava zusammenkommen. Tara Mukti Dirbai. Für die Seelen schiebt sie den Vorhang auf die Seite.
So that the Jivatma can never repent again. Sri Krishna Sanmukh ko jab Bhagavatam mein hai, kare mukti diya karo. You are going to make that Jivatma free. Not only that, but also you are going to make, such a condition for that Jivatma, so that Jivatma not going to repent anymore. Ashubha Avhaya. I'm not going to fear anything, because bhakti is the topmost solution. If we can get bhakti, Avishtrati Krishna Padara Vindayo, Kinoti Avadrani Chasantanuti, Satasya Suddhi Paramatta Bhakti, Jnanam Cha Vijnana Virag Yuktam, that's the bhakti. Avishtrati Krishna Padara Vindayo, Kinoti Abhadrani Cha Santanuti. Santanuti, Sangman Mangal. Tanuti, mane propagating, arranging Mangal and Mangal and Mangal all around Mangal. Follow. So this way it is written, Avishtrati Krishna Padara Vindayo. When one jiva not going to forget Krishna, Avishtrati Krishna Padara Vindayo.
Avismriti Krishna Padara Vindayo.
All, contamination, all amangal can go away.
So alles das Ungünstige verschwindet aus einem seinem Leben, wenn man sich eben ständig an Krishna erinnert.
Mangal and Mangal all around can arrange. Satasya Suddhi Paramattha.
Wenn sich in alle Richtungen nur mehr Mangal, Glückseligkeit.
So that can start actual bhakti, not contaminated bhakti. So this way Mayadevi, Mayadevi, the embodiment of Maya Shakti, is a maid servant of Supreme Lord Sri Krishna, who chastises and cures the disease, the current conditioned souls. This way, their awards, so now Mayadevi going to give them treatment. A girl, where the jiva, a fully spiritual entity, jiva, forgets her position as an eternal servant.
Wenn die Seele ihre Position als ewiger Diener vergisst.
And is it not? On somewhere it is in the he. Anyway, any jivatma, and actually, so Shakti Tattva, that's why I use it. So when the Jiva,
die Jiva ist Shakti Tattva, deswegen sagt er die Jiva.
The embodiment of the Maya Shakti, is a maidservant of Sri Krishna who chastises and cures the disease of conditioned souls. So that they can get back their consciousness and can start seva. So when the jiva, a fully spiritual entity, jiva, forgets own position as an eternal servant of Krishna,
So wenn die Jiva ihre Position vergisst, das ewige Diener von
a
Krishna,
serious blunder, offense, not going to serve. As a consequence of this, aversiveness, the jiva is sentenced
die
to
Konsequenz von dem Ganzen ist dann, dass sie eben mehr und mehr Probleme einladet, die Seele.
and they are by the mercy of Guru Vaishnava, if somehow they are going to get back their consciousness, then they can get free. Mayadevi can make them free. Mayadevi,
Sobald sie mehr und mehr Bewusstsein wieder erlangen, befreit, löst sie Mayadevi auch von den Fesseln.
Pisachi paile yatham mati channa hoy. Krishnadas Purja Goswami writing, Pisachi paile yatham mati channa hoy, mayabadda jive hoy, seva buddha hoy. Follow, just like a witch or bad evil spirit entering to your
Wie zum
body,
Beispiel eine Hexe oder ein Geist, was in dein Bewusstsein
you are going
übernimmt.
to act like a ghost. The material
Und dann
world
handelt man,
is a prison for those kind
das
of
wie der
bonded
Geist
jivas.
jetzt.
Just as the king binds, just as a king going to build prisons out of kindness for the protection of properties, everything, to give full protection to those, subjects, those who are staying in his country. That's why he is arranging this kind of jail making, so that he can put in jail those, wicked thieves and dacoits, so that the king can put into jail. So they are going to make, so Krishna also going to make this kind of jail with Mayadevi with lucrative offer. Krishna is also going to make jail with all lucrative offer, all with lucrative offer, so that bonded soul. And after that, Krishna is going to give them arranging punishment, but you cannot blame Krishna, because all jivas, they are going to get the result of their own karma phala. Avashyameva bhaktam kita karmam subhasubham. All good and bad activities, whatever you are doing, you will have to suffer for that. Nobody going to take share. So you see, so we cannot blame Krishna. Krishna going
Und
to
für
take the
deine Karma, was du ausgeführt hast, ob gut oder schlecht, für das bist du allein verantwortlich.
Follow. So, directly, indirectly, all the remote control is there inside the hand of Krishna. So many arguments there in Vedanta. If everything according to karma phala, what use of Krishna? What use of Krishna? What is of... Arey no, Maharaj. Krishna, the remote control is there in the hand of Krishna. Foolish. Jivas, they are doing karma, getting, the seed, bija. But the seed, if you bow there in the ground, giving light and water properly, giving sunlight, if there is no cloud, no rain, how the sprout can come out?
So der Same, der braucht Licht, Regen und so weiter, dass er sprießen kann. Das hängt alles von Krishna. So wie eben die Seele erwacht, oder es ist das gleiche Beispiel.
Follow what I say. The jiva is endowed with individual capabilities, willpower, desire. We should remember, Chetan Vastu, Chit particle, they must have their willpower. And they can also take some action. Ichcha, Kriya, willpower, if not there, then how we can say it is Chetan Vastu? It is almost like
Icha, die Willenskraft, die muss
no willpower, nothing.
die Seele hat Icha und Willenskraft.
Follow.
Inerte oder
Jiva is endowed
materielle Dinge,
with individual capabilities.
die haben die Icha Shakti nicht, die Willenskraft.
It is confirmed in all Shastra. When the mercy of Sri Krishna and the mercy of the pure devotees reinforce the Jiva's own capabilities in executing bhakti, then and only then the internal energy of the Supreme Lord, the Sarupa Sakti, enables the Jiva, give some offer, award, some bhava, Jiva with bhava, transcendental sentiments. This bhava enhance the action of receiving Sarupa Sakti. Follow. The mind, words and body, all the conditioned jivas, all are mundane. So when the jiva endeavors to apply them with her individual power and level of consciousness, this only results in materialistic knowledge and drawing false renunciation. I mean, bonded soul out of own effort, bonded soul, jiva, they also have some Sakti, surely they have some Sakti inside them. But with this Sakti they cannot go forward, impossible. Follow. The symptoms of Shuddha Bhakti are not evoked by such effort. They can try personally, ultimately they can get some material knowledge, maybe oriented, mixed with some spiritual knowledge, not pure, and maybe maximum they can grow some dry, false renunciation. The symptoms of Shuddha Bhakti are not evoked by such efforts. However, when the Sarupa Sakti of Supreme Lord descends and infuses the
Für die Jiva
with
allein,
power,
die hat herkömmliche Shakti-Energie.
maybe slightly,
Aber Swarup
still
Shakti, die wird übertragen
then
durch den
the
Vaishnava,
symptoms of
vom Guru und
Shuddha
Vaishnava.
Bhakti begins to manifest.
Dann kann wirklich Shuddha Bhakti sich manifestieren. So Bhakti
The jiva is endowed,
ist die Swarup Shakti.
endowed with individual capabilities and willpower. When the mercy of Sri Krishna and the mercy of the pure devotees reinforce the jiva's own capabilities in executing bhakti, then the internal energy of the Sarup, Supreme Lord,
Die Swarup Shakti ist was immer übertragen wird von denjenigen, was Swarup Shakti schon besitzen, die Befreiten,
embraces the jiva
die
with bhava,
großen Vaishnavas,
transcendental
was Shuddha
sentiments.
Sattvic Bhav in dem Herzen tragen. Die können die Stimmung
The
oder das
action
weitergeben,
of getting, I mean the procedure of getting the
das Herz reichen.
Sarupa Lakshana, symptoms. At present, all the condition of body, soul, the material mind, words, body, surrounding condition, all material. So the mind, words and body of the jiva, of conditioned jivas are all mundane. So when the jiva endeavors to apply them with her individual power and up to the level of own consciousness already have, this only can ultimately can result in material knowledge, maybe mixing with some spiritual knowledge, and some dry, false renunciation, nothing else. The symptoms of Shuddha Bhakti
Also das
cannot
Symptom
be
von Shuddha
seen.
Bhakti, es ist nicht so
Still there. The symptoms
einfach
of
zum
Shuddha Bhakti
Sehen.
cannot be seen. The symptoms of Shuddha Bhakti are not evoked by such personal efforts. However,
So Shuddha
when the
Bhakti
Sarvashakti
kann
of
die
the
Seele
Supreme
nicht von allein
Lord
kriegen, sondern
descends
nur,
and infuses
wenn der höchste
Jiva
Herr
with Bhava,
durch Guru und
then
Vaishnava
silence
erscheint,
still very
nachher kann die Bhava, die
Then
Stimmung
the
übertragen
symptoms
werden.
of unalloyed Shuddha Bhakti begins to manifest inside the heart of all Ameswasa, shows this is the proceeding.
Kann die Shuddha Bhakti
This Nitya Siddha
sich entwickeln.
Baba resides within the heart of Jiva
So der
and
Nitya,
is not to be gained from elsewhere, outside. Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem
Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem Sadhu Kavanai, so der Prema oder das
and also one very
ist schon in der Jiva.
very
So das sind auch Fragen kommen.
answer of a very difficult question. So this Nitya Siddha Bhava resides within the heart of Bhava Jiva and is not to be gained from outside.
So die Nitya Siddha Bhav ist im Herzen von der Jiva und das erhaltet man nicht von außen.
It is not a sadhya external to the very nature of the jiva. Sadhana, what do you mean the sadhana? Many
Was
times
bedeutet
it's called-
Sadhana?
What do you mean sadhana? Sadhana is the name given to the method of
Sadhana bedeutet, das ist eine Methode, um die Nitya Siddha Bhava
from within the heart
aufzuwecken,
itself.
das im Herzen
does
schlummert.
not appear in the heart of the jiva as long as she is in a conditioned state. The Nitya Siddha, this Nitya Siddha Bhava, you see, sadhana is the name given to the method and procedure of evoking that Nitya Siddha Bhava from within the heart, not from outside, within the heart itself. Prema Bhakti does not appear in the heart of the jiva as long as the wounded soul is in conditioned state. The Nitya Siddha Bhava is temporarily in a covert position,
Nitya Siddha Bhav,
from
das ist
where it needs to evoke.
eine Art von Bedeckung oder schlafender Zustand hatte.
To be frank, Prema Bhakti is Nitya
Die muss
Siddha,
aufgeweckt werden.
eternally present and present within the heart itself, within the constituent of the jiva. About Nitya Siddha Krishna Prema, if you would like to know in details how Prema Bhakti appeared, before also I discussed Prema Bhakti manifest by the special grace of the Sarv Shakti of Sri Krishna. Hence it is indeed Nitya Siddha. Yet Prema Bhakti is not revealed from within the heart of the conditioned soul automatically. I mean without his personal efforts cannot come.
So, es ist im Herzen, aber es kann nicht durch den persönlichen Aufwand von der Seele erweckt werden, sondern braucht einen äußerlichen Umstand dazu. Sprich Sadhu und Guru und Vaishnava, die was die Bhava weitergeben.
Heart, through the application of the mind, body and words are called sadhana bhakti. It's called, we are trying, applying this procedure, this, everything we are trying by the help of our body, mind.
Also wir versuchen, oder in Sadhana versucht man eben durch unseren Körper, unsere Worte und alles
when we are going to try by the application of your mind, body, words, everything, we are trying and trying again. The efforts and the methods undertaken under the guidance of Guru Vaishnava by the Jiva to reveal the presence of Prema Bhakti within our heart through the application of this. Though we know material body, material and everything, but still, if we go on trying and trying,
aber wenn du mit deinem materiellen Körper versuchst, mit deinem materiellen Geist, das ist, wenn du dort in die Richtung gehst, in die richtige Richtung gehst, das ist Sadhana. Krishna Bhakti Sudapana Tehe Tai Kavismiti Sambancha Bhautika Satchidananda Rupa. Den Weiß hat auch schon mal erklärt, dort ist das beschrieben. Krishna Bhakti Sudapana, desto mehr du eben praktizierst, das Krishna Bewusstsein mit deinem Körper. Nachher schlussendlich vergisst wirklich alles in Bezug auf deinen Körper durch Aprakita Harikata. Das ist dann ein ausgezeichnetes Symptom.
Okay, I can give final thought. The efforts and the methods undertaken by the Jiva personally to reveal the presence of Prema Bhakti within her heart through the application of mental mind, body and words, everything is called sadhana bhakti. Nitto siddhasya bhavasya prakatyam hidi sadhata. It is eternally present. To expose it by the help of some procedure is called sadhana. Follow, sadhana bhakti. During the period of sadhana bhakti, the Nitya Siddha condition of Prema Bhakti may appear to be subservient to the, during the period of sadhana bhakti, the Nitya Siddha condition of Prema Bhakti may appear, can appear. By the application of this, these rules and regulation appropriately, the regulation of sadhana bhakti can appear.
Also die Regulierungen von Sadhana Bhakti seien dazu da, eben um schlussendlich die Shuddha Bhakti zu erreichen. Aber wie kann man sagen, Nitya Siddha? Oder wie kann man sagen, dass wenn die Seele dann in die spirituelle Welt eintritt, wie kann man dann sagen, dass das ewig präsent ist, wenn man sagt, sie tritt ein? So Bhaktivinoda Thakur sagt, all die Art von Sadhana Bhakti,
then and there it is Nitya's, then and there its Nitya Siddha status get revealed or is clearly evident. Follow what I say. You cannot believe. Though we see from Sadhana Bhakti, they like Vilamal Thakur, I have very told. By the application of sadhana bhakti, when finally they are going to get this kind of condition, in that case, Bhaktivinoda was speaking, yeah, eternal time period, eternally, it was there secretly, eternally present. When Bhaktivinoda Thakur gave by the application of different procedure, perfect procedure, rules and regulation, different kind of procedure, rules and regulations, sadhana bhakti, it is called sadhana bhakti, by the help of which it can get manifested. Yet, as soon as
Durch die Hilfe von Sadhana Bhakti kann sich das manifestieren. Und wenn dann Prema Bhakti erscheint,
eternal Siddha status,
dann wird der ewige, perfektionierte Status sich offenbaren.
As soon as you discover then eternity there, I told you material example, but still you can get satisfaction. Because anyway, aprakita visaya, ko prakita gochanna, you have to go and meditate, full bhajan, then you can realize what I am speaking. Bhaktivinoda also suggested.
So die Dinge, über die da gesprochen werden, das kann man wirklich nur realisieren, wenn man wirklich Bhajan macht. So Unendlichkeit minus Unendlichkeit ist Unendlichkeit. Unendlichkeit plus Unendlichkeit ist Unendlichkeit. Das ist ein Beispiel, was man anwenden kann. Sobald Prema Bhakti erscheint, dann sei wirklich ein Nitya-Siddha-Status.
Bhaktivinoda was speaking. We cannot fight. We have no right to fight. Bhaktivinoda was speaking. Bhaktivinoda was speaking. Don't try to put arguments.
Bhaktivinoda sagt, versuch kein Argument zu geben, sondern mach Bhajan unter der Führung von reinen Guru und Vaishnavas.
You do Harinam and go into deep meditation.
Chant Harinam, geh in tiefe Meditation.
Very shortly you can feel.
Nachher kann man die ganzen Dinge praktisch erfahren, was ewige Zeit ist, was Nitya Siddha bedeutet.
At present, your argument cannot give solution. So I will request you to stop argument and believe and go on doing bhajan.
So ist besser eben da nicht zu argumentieren, sondern in Chit Samadhi zu gehen, sagt Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. In tiefe Meditation.
You go on doing Harinam and go into meditation. And very shortly, by the help of Nityananda, the name itself, Nityananda, going to show us, prove us. We cannot disbelieve.
Der Name selber, Nityananda, sagt uns. Nityananda, ewig präsent, Ananda.
Nityananda, this name itself going to prove. No other evidence with it. Nityananda means eternally present Ananda. So all jivas coming from Nityananda. And they can discover many things I like to discuss next Harikatha also. So many divisions from Baladev, how coming. Yesterday I was also discussing Baddha and Mukta, Baddha Mukta and Nitya Mukta.
So gibt es eben so viele Unterschiede. Baddha Mukta, Nitya Mukta. So in der nächsten Harikatha kann über das mehr sprechen. Jetzt ist die Zeit um.
So you see, I want to remind you the sloka from Brihad Bhagavatamrita.
Kann uns erinnern an den Vers von Brihad Bhagavatamrita. Krishna Bhakti Sudapana Deho Daika Vismatir Te Sambhava Bancha Bhautika Satchidananda Rupata.
Can get Satchidananda Rupata. Krishna Bhakti Sudapana. In course of hearing Harikatha, transcendental Harikatha from heart, with full sincerity. Krishna Bhakti Sudapana.
Wirklich dein Körper und alles vergessen, dein Geist, wenn du tief in Shuddha Bhakti dringst, eintauchst. Desam Panchabhautika, du siehst vielleicht extern, dass sie im materiellen Körper haben, aber in Wirklichkeit sind sie innerlich Satchidananda. In einem Aprakita Sharira, was du äußerlich im nicht sehen kannst.
8th number sloka. Jada
Bhaktivinoda Thakur im 8. Vers von Dasamul Tattva gibt er dazu Antwort.
Vaishnava janam kadachit sankasans tadanugamane sad ruchi jitaha tada Krishna pritva tajati sanakair maikadasam sarvam vibrano vimalarasa bhagam sakuruti. What is written? Bhaktivinoda writing? Jada brahmam harirasa galat Vaishnava janam kadachit sankasyan stadanu gamane swad ruchi jutaha tada Krishna vritva tajati sanakair maikatasam sarupam vibrano vimalarasa bhagam sakurute. Jada mane when Brahma in course of traveling, wandering, by chance kadachit, if the Jivatma going to meet with such a sadhu who is full of ecstatic feeling of prema.
Wenn die Seele wirklich so einen Sadhu trifft, der was voll mit der Prema ist.
To melt the heart of that sadhu. If you are at all going to see, meet with such a sadhu,
Und wer so eine Person trifft, dessen Herz schmilzt dann wirklich.
Totally blind, that's a sankasan. Sandarshan, if you can see, is on here, very inner meaning is there. Sankasan, this word used. Because material side darshan cannot undone. So if slightly you can change your heart by the mercy of the sadhu.
So, wenn du ein bisschen dein Herz verändern kannst durch die Barmherzigkeit von dem Sadhu, nachher kannst du das Mysterium von dem Sadhu verstehen. Das bedeutet nicht materielle Darshan. Deswegen Sankarshan, das Wort verwendet. Sankarshan.
If you are going to see clearly from heart, then you can like to follow him. Tadanu gamani.
So, wenn du so einen Sadhu siehst, nachher
You like to follow that sadhu.
ist ein Verlangen eigentlich, dem nachzufolgen.
Then onward, if you like to exercise, practice this Krishna Britva. Krishna Britva means Krishna Nam, Harinam, Sankirtan, Prasad. You go on here in Harikatha, Kirtan, all Krishna Britva. All related things, all things related to Krishna. Krishna Britva. Krishna Namadi. If you are going to practice over and again, that Jiva. Sanukoi, gradually.
So die Seele dann, wenn sie mehr und mehr praktiziert, nachher verlässt sie die materielle Verstrickung.
Maikadasam Tajati, going to leave this material condition, and gradually by the help of that Aprakita sadhu, he is going to, in course of practice, sadhana, he can get expressed inside her heart, Jivatma's heart, Sarupam Vibrano, his original Sarup, which is fixed up. Sarupam Vibrana, Vimala Rasa Bhagam Kurute Sa. The Jivatma then readily can enjoy that Vimal, very, very pure rasa, can get the taste of that rasa. Jada Brahmam Hari Rasa Galat Vaishnava Janam. Jada Brahmam Hari Rasa Galat Vaishnava Janam Kadachit Sankpasyam Stadanugamane Shad Ruchi Yutaha Tada Krishna Britva Tajati Sanakair Maikadasam Sarupam Vibrano Vimala Rasa Bhagam Sa Kurute Vancha Kalpatarusya Kipa Sindhu Patitanang Pavane Bhavaishnavabhyo Namo.